Tonight, with the new development of the case against Brad Simpson, he was back in court today to ask a judge for permission to have contact with his children while his legal case plays out.
Simpson is facing charges in connection with the murder of his wife, Suzanne Simpson.
And News 4 San Antonio's Mariah Medina was there and joins us live with more exactly on what happened in court. Mariah, good evening.
Jonathan, Mandy, Brad Simpson had been prohibited from having any contact with his children, but a judge today partially lifted that no contact order for all of his children, with the exception of the youngest, who is 5 years old.
We're going to go on the record if everybody can be quiet, please.
Prosecutors and Simpson's defense attorney had come to an agreement that Simpson's contact with his 15-year-old son would be limited to written letters that will be subject to inspection. We know his son has previously indicated he'd like to have contact with his dad. Today we learned that Simpson's 2 adult children, however, don't feel the same way, but asked that the door be left open to have contact when they're ready. So the judge amended the no contact order to an order that provides for no harmful or injurious contact. The court left the no contact order in place for the youngest child and for Simpson's longtime business partner, James Cotter, who was indicted earlier this week for allegedly helping Simpson conceal an automatic weapon from authorities as they investigated Suzanne's disappearance. Also this morning, Simpson's defense attorney made the judge aware of possible violations of the judge's gag order by Simpson's brother, Bart Simpson, and Suzanne's sister, Teresa Clark, though only Teresa was in court this morning. Judge Joel Perez calling her to the bench, where she stood just feet away from the man accused of murdering her sister.
And you don't need to be nervous. Nothing bad's going to happen.
No, I know,
here.
but I'm just very scared right now because this whole thing is very upsetting to me because this is my little sister.
I understand it.
And I feel responsible for her because I've known her since I was 3 years old. And I would never want anything to happen to her.
And I understand.
And so I'm sorry. I'm so upset by this whole thing.
And I understand.
The judge asked Teresa to refrain from whatever conduct caused her to be in violation of the order, telling her the order was put in place to protect Simpson's right to a fair trial by an impartial jury.
And right now, no future court dates exist for Simpson in his criminal case. He remains at the Bexar County Jail behind bars on bonds totaling $3 million. In the Content Center, I'm Mariah Medina.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to get all the latest news right here.